Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into the incredible healing powers of okra. You might already know okra as a staple in gumbo or a crunchy snack, but did you know it's also packed with medicinal benefits? First up, okra is a superstar when it comes to soothing and protecting your alimentary tract. It acts as a softener for inflamed areas and can relieve flatulence and those uncomfortable griping pains in your stomach and bowels. Plus, it's got your back when it comes to preventing or treating spasms and even works as a natural laxative. But that's not all. Okra has been known to help control pneumonia, bronchitis, urinary problems, heart diseases, and even tuberculosis of the lungs. Let's break down how you can use this amazing plant. For pneumonia and bronchitis, try using the leaves as a hot poultice or in a decoction. You can also prepare a tea with the flowers and fruit, adding a touch of honey for sweetness. Dealing with inflamed mucous membranes, infectious venereal diseases, or other genital issues, a root decoction might be just what you need. And if heart health is your focus, roasted okra seeds prepared as a tea can be beneficial. Aim for 4 to 5 glasses a day. Lastly, the unripe fruit of okra is used for pulmonary tuberculosis. Remember, always consult with your healthcare professional before starting any new treatment. So next time you see okra at the store, don't just think of it as a tasty veggie. Think of it as nature's little green healer. Stay healthy, stay informed, and I'll catch you in the next video.